Yung naging process po nito, una po, nag-present sa amin sila Miss Rocky ng plan nila na i-sign kami sa GMA Playlist. So once na pumayag po kami mag-sign, nag-present na sila ng songs. So actually, before yung song kong Get Through, meron kami isang na-record na song na hindi nagsang-ayon sa aming mga plano. So nag-move forward kami to another song, and this is a Get Through. So Get Through is the second song that we recorded na actually na nilaunch na namin. So ayun yung mga process na pinagdaanan namin. May first song na hindi okay sa amin hanggang sa another song ulit na naging okay na. Tapos, yung meaning nito sa akin, yung Get Through, kasi gusto nila yung songs na pinoproduce is very much relatable to the singer. So, before that, nag-interview sila about me, about my experiences. So, naman ako before I had a 5-year relationship. Yes. So, saktong-sakto yung writer, si Natasha Correos. May song siyang ginawa for me na basta yung tema is about love, na pinaglalaban ng love kahit na alam mong mag-fail na it's really worth fighting for if you just get through with it. So, yun po. And actually, yung theme ng song ko, yung Get Through.
Well, sa akin po, same lang din po yun sa kanya. First single ko din po. And pinapili po ako ng 5 na songs. And doon po, pumili po ako ng isa. And actually yung dahil sa'yo, medyo different pa po siya ng pinakauna. Medyo ano pa po siya, slow. And sabi ko po na may nirequest na po ako na medyo baguhin, gano'n. And gano'n po sila kabait na napalitan po nila agad, and mas sukat na po para sa akin po. Yes po. And yun dahil sa'yo po na natin na yun is more about the person na iniisip mo palagi. Like, kahit natutulog ka, kahit kumakain ka, hindi mo wala sa isip mo yung tao mo. And yun po yun dahil sa'yo.
Pero Miss Kate, how are you? Ready na ba kayo? Kasi medyo mahabang chicken. Kuha pa kayo pagkain siyempre. Pero yung sa akin naman, I think it's the same process with everyone. Thankful na rin po ako na Miss Rocky and Miss Bambi kasi nagkakaroon rin talaga ng difficulties when choosing songs dahil ang dami nilalapag sa'yo. Tapos with their help, with their guidance, sasabihin nila, Sid, I think maganda sana sa'yo yan, pero I think you could do better. Ito, mas bagay yata sa'yo. So meron kaming process na ginagawa. With Guhit naman, the reason why I chose this song is nung time na we were picking a song, gusto namin may kwento yung other singles ko, and including this newest one. This is my 3rd single na po. Yung very first single ko, it's called Want You. So it's a story that tells a person how deeply he can love someone. And then yung second single ko naman is called Tate Pa, which is heartbreak naman to. Dito, ang kinakwento na naman is parang saan ba ako nagkamali, pwede ba natin ibalik sa dati, gano'n. So gano'n. And then itong 3rd song naman, gusto namin i-end yung story nito, or maybe probably may katugtong na to. Pero yung Guhit naman po, this is more of an acceptance song. So, okay, na let go na tayo, pero ina-accept ko na what once was will always be in the past. So, yun na lang siya. Okay, so,
Trilogy pa rin.
yeah. Pero ang hirap trilogy naman. Pero ang hirap nga nung process na nare-record namin siya dahil not because dahil sa timbre ng mga or yung voice na pinapipigyan namin, pero it's more on the emotions na gusto namin i-show. And especially nung time din na nare-record ko to, it was hard for me dahil personal reasons, yun na relationship problems. So, yung bawat word dun sa kanta, parang grabe naman, sinulat mo ba talaga to or may nagsasalita? So, ayun, may mga instances kami na nagre-record tapos nanginig yung boses nila. But yeah, all in all, thankful pa rin po sa GMA Playlist. Okay.
Thank you.